How to make your YouTube Shorts more captivating. Keep it concise. Since YouTube Shorts are limited to 60 seconds, focus on delivering your message or capturing attention quickly. Grab the viewer's interest right from the start and maintain their engagement throughout the short video. Optimize for vertical format. Shorts are designed to be viewed on mobile devices, so make sure your video is optimized for the vertical format. Shoot the video in portrait orientation and ensure all essential elements are visible within the vertical frame. Catchy opening. Begin your YouTube short with a catchy and attention-grabbing opening. This could be a visually striking scene, an intriguing question, or a captivating hook that compels viewers to keep watching. Clear and concise content. Deliver your message or story concisely within the 60-second time frame. Consider focusing on a single topic or idea to maintain clarity and avoid overwhelming viewers with too much information. Visual impact. Leverage visual elements to make your YouTube short visually appealing. Use vibrant colors, interesting camera angles, creative effects, and engaging visuals to captivate your audience. Engage with trends and challenges. YouTube Shorts often follow popular trends and challenges. Keep an eye on the current trends and see if you can incorporate them into your content. Participating in trending challenges can increase the visibility of your shorts. Experiment and iterate. YouTube Shorts is a relatively new feature, so don't be afraid to experiment and try different approaches. Test different content styles, ideas, and formats to see what resonates best with your audience. Promote and engage. Once you upload your YouTube Shorts, promote them across your social media channels and engage with viewers' comments and feedback. Encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe to your channel for more content. Thank you so much for joining us on this exploration. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. If you enjoyed the content and found value in it, we kindly request your support. Please take a moment to like this video, share it with others who might benefit from it, leave a comment to let us know your thoughts, and most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos on various economic topics, ensuring you never miss out on valuable insights. Your support means the world to us, and it encourages us to continue creating high-quality content. Thank you once again. And we look forward to seeing you in our future videos.